Emily, it's me. It finally happened. I got this time. I'm so grateful to you.
Hindi na nag-join sa akin si Nova, pero magpapa-join pa naman siya.
So, when am I going to see you again?
Oh, that depends. When are you coming back to Paris?
But now you have a lot of good excuses to have.
Well, as long as we just keep to you and me.
Okay na ba? Hi, Nazi Boy. Hi, Bobby Alvarez. Hi, Toto. Hello, Rol Jimenez. Puro bago yung nanonood sa akin. Hi, Makoy.
Emily, it's me. It finally happened.
Thank you for the follow, Nazi Boy.
I'm so grateful to you for everything.
Nag-a-alarm?
Sorry I'm late, but big news.
Saan ka nag-a-alarm? Anong oras?
And naturally, we're thrilled for him. But let's deal with the business at hand. Agence Gâteau is officially opening an office in Rome. And we need someone to run it.
I volunteer. It should definitely be me. My Italian is perfect, and I am the most senior person at this table.
That's exactly why I need you in Paris.
Rome has been my dream ever since I spent summer after college interning for one of our
Wait lang. Natatawa sa pinapanood ko. 450?
3 months of glamour.
Bakit 450? Hi, Hansky. Hello, Brooms.
Very.
Be, wala pa nga akong pasok. February pa ako.
I also speak Italian. And I used to have quite a life here. But I need to do what is best for the account. And for that reason,
Hi,
I
Josh.
would like
Hindi.
Emily to stay in Rome and run the office here.
What?
Wait, me? Why?
Well, Antonia was impressed by what you did at me. And she closed our deal on the condition that you stay here and run the account.
She did or her son?
Emily doesn't even speak Italian. Mamma mia, che cazzo di casino!
Emily doesn't speak French either, and that did not stop her. So
Natatawa. Emily in Paris to.
we already have an apartment for you to review. You can send for your clothes. No time to waste.
Congratulations, Emily. Stole my dream.
And mine.
Kasi nung una sa French siya sa French siya. Sa Paris siya
You're finding me a temporary apartment here? Wow.
Sa Paris siya.
Make some room, bitch. Because as soon as I'm back from Shanghai, I'm joining you in Rome. You better promise. Oh, I do. It's about time I got my passport stamp too. Ciao. What are you all doing up so early?
Oh, whatever. Opening up so late.
Gago. Kaya pala. Last season na ako eh. Season 5 na ako. Thank you for the top Nazi Boy.
We are already planning on that. See, I'm thinking GG2.
New York.
How about Rome? At least you'll be able to see Emily.
What are you talking about?
I just got off the phone with her. She's moving to Rome.
About Marcello guy?
I think it's more about work. She's going to run the Agence Gâteau office there. Paris is not going to be the same without her. What?
Okay, mate.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
We got my 2 cents. You know, your pride and misunderstanding in where the greatest girl in the world. And we both did.
Maybe.
Panoodin mo itong dyan, Marco. Panoodin mo din.
Stop being.
Hi, Ian. Hello, Buzero.
Still have a chance to get her back.
Hi, Sanji.
How? She's with him now.
Hi, pwede pangalan ng IG. Wala akong IG. Thank you for the follow, Ian.
Can you excuse me for a second?
Oh. Tangina mo talaga dyan, Marco. Hi, Emperador. Tangina mo. Tawang-tawa ako sa'yo, buisit ka. Baka seloso. Sabi mo, ate, ayaw mo sa hindi number. Tawang-tawa ako sa'yo, ha? Ate, ate, parang may ayos ka ata, no? Ngayon?